located in North Bali, Indonesia, and today I'm going to take you deep in the jungle and tour some of the most popular waterfalls in North Bali, starting off at the oldest tree in Bali, believed to be called a kopak tree, given the name ancient Bayan tree for its location of the surrounding Bayan neighborhood. Hang out and enjoy. Good morning here from Canggu, Bali. We're going to drive through central Bali up towards north. We're going to do a bunch of waterfalls in the next 4 or 5 days. Today we're going to start up at the Bayan tree, the big ancient tree, pretty much near a Buddha area. So that's pretty much what we're going to do for today. We're going to start off by going there, and then we're pretty much going to start planning our trip, going to 1 or 2 waterfalls per day for the next 3 or 4 days. So that is pretty much going to be our plans for this portion of the trip. Got everything packed, toiletry stuff, drone, all of our clothes, and these are warm clothes. That's everything we need, and then my camera bag is right there. So we made it here to the Bayan ancient tree. It's right here, right behind us. Saw it about a half a kilometer away. It's a pretty large sized tree. I'm not sure of the age. I'll probably find more of that out once I get inside. It's free to enter. They accept a donation, so 10, 20,000 will probably be good to enter. Well, here it is. Can't even get it on camera. They scan in that little pocket right there. This tree is absolutely insane. I think it's huge. I can't even get the camera an angle, but it's pretty nice. Took some good pictures. Just gonna hang out here for a little bit, and then our next place we're gonna go to, I can't pronounce it. It's like Adhi homestay. It's in the middle of a rice field. I stayed there last year, and I'm going there again. Currently messaging the owner right now on WhatsApp, so we should be down over there before 4 or 5 p.m. So we're gonna hang out, probably do 2 nights there. We'll see what happens. So I found out this tree is actually 700 years old. There's not too much information about it. It is a holy tree, so it's protected. Not really gonna say too much more information on that, but essentially it's a protected tree, and yeah, 700 years old. That's pretty old for a tree. And there's no other trees like it in this area. It's pretty much the only one that's here that's anywhere near this size, so it's pretty interesting.
Video and then do like slow motion later.
Yeah, just what are you doing?
Bah. Okay.
Watching the professionals do a photo shoot here. We just got to a room. We're in the Jatiluwih Rice Terrace. That's how you say it. Jatiluwih, Bali. There. And the guest house we're at is Adhi Jaya, or Adhi Guest House, or Adhi Suite. There. And this is one of the places I've been wanting to come back to. I was here last year. Really nice, clean room. I'll do a room tour probably tomorrow. But the best part is the view. We come a little earlier in the year. It's a lot more greener. Right now the rice is about ready to be cut. That's why it's more yellow. But it's still one of the best views of a hotel or a guest house I've seen. Down over there is where all your restaurants are at. So that's where we're gonna go here in a little bit to get some food. Places here do close a little early. I think there's one restaurant that's open till I think 9 p.m. the latest. But there's a couple other ones there that are open till about 6 or 7 p.m. You got Mount Bator right over there. Mount Lagoon is further that way. Can't really see it.
Beda ya? Sama.
So this is one of the fancier options. It's a little bit more expensive, but it's probably not terrible. Hello. We're doing a juice watermelon photo shoot with my latte.
It's beautiful.
So isn't it like the best looking drink you've ever seen? You've never seen a drink ever like this before. Look at that. The straw, bendy straw. Look at this. Look how much coffee is in this glass of milk.
It's very red.
Yeah. Look at this straw in the ice.
Oh,
Yeah. Weird.
hard.
Got our food here. Chicken, vegetables, rice, and more food coming soon. Time to eat. Butter chicken. Chicken in a pool of butter sauce, vegetables.
Thank you. Sudah semua Kak ya.
Nice. Look at that. Nasi goreng. I bet you never heard of that before. And lalapan.
Lalapan.
Lollipan?
Lalapan, baby.
Lalapan. That's chicken with hot sauce. Oh. There's sambal sauce is in a little heart thing. Eat hot sambal. Comes from the heart and out your asshole. Not bad.
Mmm.
Ooh. Yeah. Yeah, those aren't green beans. Those are very, very spicy beans. Hot chili. Chicken's good. It's not the best I've had, but it's still good. Well, we're back at the room now. Just got done eating dinner. Here I'm gonna make me an evening coffee before I do some more work on the computer. Tomorrow morning we'll wake up probably like 6 something to see the sunrise. We don't have to go anywhere. We just open the door and look. So it's easy as that. Stay tuned for the next 4 episodes where I'll explore over 12 waterfalls in the next 7 days. I'll also show you how I cracked the code of how to easily avoid, in my opinion, Bali's biggest scams in tourism. check out my other adventures on my channel. Make sure you are subscribed so you'll miss out on my very next adventure. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.